You know they like choo 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 cause they hope I'm a bitch, I'm a boss, I'm a bitch and a boss man.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Pranjal and for today's video I'm going to do eating only one color food for 24 hours challenge. So as I have put a poll on my channel which video do you want to see next, and I had haunted numbers and one color food for 24 hours challenge. So there were more votes to one color food than haunted numbers, so I am doing the one color food challenge. So the way this challenge is going to work, so I don't know what color food I'm going to eat for 24 hours, but you guys know of the title and the thumbnail. So now it's time for us to check what color food I'm going to eat for 24 hours. So I have here a color detector for Google. So I'm just gonna like pick a random color, which is random number. I'm gonna pick a random number which is 21, I guess 21. Let's see what color I get. And here I'm just gonna click on this. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 20 21 22 21. Oh, I got this type of color, like you can see here. I think it's orange or it's yellow. Let me just go ask my mom. Okay, so my mom said it is yellow, so I'm gonna take it as a yellow food for 24-hour challenge. It's quite interesting. So let's just go shop for what I want like to eat for 24 hours. So right now the time is, let me just say the time. Right now it is 10, almost 11. It's 10:58, 59 now. So it's 11. So this challenge will be till next tomorrow 11. So if you get it, I'm being so awkward right now. Till tomorrow 11 a.m. So let's get started. Let me show you what I got now. Bye-bye. So I'm back shopping and I got all of my stuff that I'm going to use for this challenge. So let me just show you. First of all, I got this pop ring because I just saw it was yellow and this is super tasty. So yeah. Then I also got two Maggi. Like yellow food, what can you expect other than Maggi? So then I have this fruity. Literally, like, believe me guys, I have not drank fruity from like literally like 1 year. It has been 1 year that I have not drank fruity, and I'm not even lying. Probably you all know. And this is a chevda. That's so weird. It is chevda, and if you don't know what is it, it's like just like little things in it. And then I got two bananas. Hello. Yes, subscribe to It's Me Pranjal. That is all it. I'm gonna just show the close up of what I got. So yeah. And you be like, oh my god, Pranjal, how will you stay 24 hours with this much of food? It's not this much of food. Like my mom is making some dal chawal for me, like what's called? What is it called? Jeera rice. My mom is making dal fry right now for me because it's yellow, and I'm gonna also eat mango with roti, so that's gonna fill me up real good. So yeah. So here I am with my lunch, my yellow lunch, and I'm gonna give you a close up of what I have right now. Yes, I know you'll be saying like, oh, white rice, but I have this yellow dal fry, so I'm gonna mix that and it will be yellow. And I have this mango thingy, mango ras, and I have roti, so I'm gonna dip it in here and I'm gonna eat it. So this is what I am gonna have for my lunch, and I count it as yellow because yeah, because it is yellow, like. तो अभी बज रहे हैं 4:16 एंड अब I'm gonna do a small snack kind of thing because I'm very hungry. पता नहीं क्यों बहुत ही भूख लग रही है. And I have finished my maths and I played Free Fire with my friends, and now I am eating something that has to be yellow. So I'm eating some pop rings and a banana. So see me eat. So it is night time. It's about 7:30 or 7:45, and as you saw, I made some Maggie. I mean, my sister made me some Maggie. We both ate some Maggie. So much Maggie. So here is my Maggie, and I'm gonna enjoy my Maggie. And you can see it's yellow. And I also added some cheese sauce in it, so it's cheesy too. So let's eat it. And I'm not just showing off by eating with this chopstick. I love to eat with chopsticks, and I normally eat with chopsticks, like any ramen or any noodles. So yeah. Wait, there is a hair. Yeah, nothing. Oh my god, my hair. Mmm. Not bad, sis. I'm so hungry right now. Let's also have some talk. You know, I hate when people eat Maggie like this much. Like, let me just show you. Like that. I hate people when they do that. Do that. So like, come on, like you gotta pick up a big chunk like this. Yeah, how good is Maggie? And I also made this scrunchie here, and I didn't bought it, I made it by myself. If you don't know how to make scrunchies, click this I button here and check my video. I made a video how to make scrunchies at home, 0% cost. I'm gonna have my lunch, dinner, and see you guys soon. I need something to wash off, so I think I'm ready for next. So I got like a mukbanger, like the one who either makes sounds, like yeah, like yes, juicy Maggie. This was the juice I had. Water. I'm so hungry. So I'll finish this and meet you guys after. Bye. Good morning. I woke up at 7:30 today, and it is 8:35 right now, and I'm hungry, so I'm gonna eat my breakfast, which is gonna be yellow. So I'm gonna drink this fruity, and I'm gonna eat this chevra. So yeah, and I was thinking of drinking this fruity yesterday at night, but I didn't thought, like, I was not hungry at all after eating that lot of Maggie, so I'm gonna drink this fruity now. Not bad at all. So this is going to be the end of the video, because I'm going to have my lunch at 12 or 1, and at 11 my challenge is over, and I'm not going to eat anything till 11 because I'm full right now. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, like, subscribe, share my comment. What? Like, subscribe, and comment in my video, and yeah, see you guys soon. Bye.